Hey there, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're looking into a quick step-by-step guide on how to connect your WhatsApp business account to your Facebook page. Why? Because integrating these two platforms can supercharge your business by making it easier to connect with customers and run targeted ads. Ready to learn how? Let's get started. Step 1, navigate to your Facebook page. First things first, log into your Facebook account using your admin credentials for the business page you want to connect. Easy, right? Step 2, access settings. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. This is where you'll control the integrations and features for your Facebook page. Step 3, linked accounts. Next, you'll scroll down to find the permissions section. Here, click on linked accounts. You'll see an option to view next to WhatsApp. Go ahead and click on that. Step 4, choose country code. Now, you'll need to select your country code from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial to ensure your phone number is verified properly. Step 5, enter WhatsApp business phone number. Next, accurately enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp business account. Be sure it's the right one or you won't be able to complete the verification. Step 6, send WhatsApp code. Now click send WhatsApp code. Facebook will send a verification code to your WhatsApp account to make sure everything matches up. Step 7, complete verification. Once you receive the code, go ahead and enter it into the prompt on Facebook. And that's it. Your WhatsApp business account is now officially linked to your Facebook page. Connecting your WhatsApp business account to your Facebook page is a simple process that can greatly enhance your business communication and advertising efforts. By following the steps of navigating to your Facebook page, accessing settings, linking accounts, selecting your country code, entering your WhatsApp business number, and verifying the connection with a code, you'll be able to streamline customer interactions and run more effective ads. This integration is a powerful way to improve how you engage with your audience across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips and tricks to grow your business. See you in the next one.